posizionare più ce l'altra parte. Che si once Walt passed away, and then his wife passed away, his kids, were, executors of his estate. And then, once they passed away, that house was torn down, sadly, because some billionaire wanted the land. And so the owner of that land, now that property, has this big monstrosity in there. It's really active. Well, it's so ostentatious. I mean, I've seen a picture of it, and it's nothing like the house that Walt had. And Walt used a lot of the land in the backyard, and the trailer around the house. Guess what?
We've made a complete trip around the Magic Kingdom. For the
Well, I thought they
journey, thanks for putting up with
got
me.
rid of the train. They took the train because it still belonged to the Walt family.
Right now,
It's still, yes. There were certain
off the train. If you have strollers to
there were
unfold,
restrictions,
please
yeah.
take them all the way beyond the platform
Well, the house was demolished, but
for the next leg of our journey.
the train itself.
This is Main Street Station.
The front part of the train. It was treasure, and I think it was put away somewhere. And now it's in the Walt Disney World Museum in San Francisco.
As we approach Frontierland Station, I ask that you please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. And I give those two magical words of all clear in order to depart. Please remain seated, folks. We are still in motion, folks. Remain seated. Remain seated, folks. Remain seated.
And the reason I know
All clear. Welcome to Frontier.
I paid for this soda. I know. No, that's a good, smart strategy. You can't come up on it. Are you old enough? Did you have to be 18? And I'm sure they were less expensive. You ever stole anything? Never? I always get really, I always get uncomfortable when I'm going to return something. With the receipt, I want them to see when I walk in, like, yeah, here's my receipt and here's the item. Coming in, I want to return it, exchange it. They know it's still. Rain's probably been over for like an hour.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. For your safety, please remain seated at all times. Keep your arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. For the comfort of others, there should be no eating, drinking, nor smoking, and small children should be seated to the left or center with adults to their open right-hand side. We have received clearance for forward motion, folks, so please sit back and relax, because we are all aboard.
Totally works. Like nobody got long.
Oh, from 78.
Theory though. Why they don't.
If I can have everybody wave to our fellow guest conductor on your right. Well, he is not a guest conductor, he's an actual conductor. Ty, you're right to your right, folks. Wave to my good fellow friend, a good line.
I will say, they do a much better job of like immersing you at Universal Studios. Just like people like, no, I'm talking about like the rides themselves here are like you look up and you see ceiling tile.
They do a better job of
Great entertaining. It's definitely got those pirates in real life. Like I was wondering at Harry Potter Land, they actually have paid extras, like real people walking around. The new one, the diagonal. They're only real employees.
you please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. And I give those two magical words of all clear in order to disembark. Once again, folks, remain seated. Remain seated. All clear. Welcome to Fantasyland. Please watch your step and your head and have a magical day.
Deadlines and commitments. I thought this was vacation.
You want to wait in line or you want to walk on? You got to walk on.
Just saying.
In my pocket. Thank you. Yes. Yeah.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad, folks. We are going to have to, for your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping all hands, arms, legs, and feet within the train. For the safety of any of our younger passengers who do not reach the floor, please seat them on the left or center of the row with a responsible adult on the open right-hand side. For the comfort of others, please refrain from eating, smoking, or drinking while aboard. Those two is assuming we have clearance to the next station, folks. At this time, we're going to ask for no more further seat swapping. Sit back, relax, because we are all aboard. folks, we are going to ask that for your safety you remain seated until this train has come to a full and complete stop. And I have given you those two magical words of all clear. All new, and I have given you those two magical words. Will it be safe to disembark the train? So until then, please remain seated, folks. Just remember, I will let you know when it is safe to disembark the train. Until then, please remain seated, folks. Here, almost there. Almost there, folks. Just remain seated for us. Stay on the train. Stay on the train. We have an all clear. Go ahead and disembark on the right-hand side. Watch your step. Walk on Main Street, USA.
Attention, please. Last call, Walt Disney World Railroad, now departing for a grand circle tour around the Magic Kingdom, with stops at Frontierland and Fantasyland.
Yes, sir.
Walt Disney World Railroad, please, on the left side of the road, with an adult on the right side. Remain fully seated all times, keep those hands around the legs, grip the car, please. And please make sure it's working while on board.